G'day, my name's Blake and I'm the sales manager over here at Hammer Hire. Today we're going to be looking at the Chemrock EK110 chain cutter. This chain cutter is only one of a handful in Australia and works very similar to the way our twin header drum cutters work. The only difference you'll find on this chain cutter against the twin headers is the center chain running through the middle between the two hubs. At a total width of 600mm, the ideal application for this chain cutter is surface trenching in soft to medium rock. For any more questions or for any more information, feel free to reach out to the guys at Hammer Hire at 1800 Hammer or hammerhire.com.au.